Okay guys, episode 4, we got some good artists here. This one's fun. Check it out. Cryptographer, this is a cool piece, man. I really like what's going on here. The whole mood is really clear what's going on with her emotion. Couple things I got. One is the eye. There's a simple little note on that. And then overall, I'm feeling like, man, I'd love to see a little bit of mood shading like on her hair. Maybe something I'm trying to pick, like where, maybe the front, maybe the side, maybe the bottom, maybe the back. I do like the front. That kind of looks neat, but I went ahead with the safe bet, and I'm going to put some of that weight of her hair down here at the bottom. I think that looks kind of cool. And then just to add to this somber mood of hers, I thought a nice shadow across the front and maybe a little bit on her body like that might look cool and add to the emotion. This is the eye I was telling you about. You've got the Egyptian eye going on here. Just, you know, keep in mind that that is a ball. It's a sphere inside of a pocket. That may help with some of your future drawings. But overall, man, this looks really good. Looking forward to seeing more. Okay, I think this is a redfish or a whiting. Either way, I'm a big fisherman. I love fish. Okay, it looks a little flat though. If you saw a cross section right here, it would look super flat, and it's got a lot of meat. That's why I love these fish. So let's try to get some density or some form to this. And I think all you need is a nice little shadow on the bottom and repeat that on the top. Now look at that. Boom. It just suddenly looks nice and edible. Yeah, and here's an example. See, but yeah, and the tangents on here are driving me a little crazy, but good job, man. Okay, let's see what this is, my man. This looks great, dude. See this contour you got going here? You pay a lot of attention to those muscles. That is really good. Speaking of muscles, you know this dude's got at least a six-pack showing. So I would look, maybe in your reference it wasn't showing, but go ahead. We all know what these tight abs look like with a little bit of shadowing. Could look cool. I'm not sure who this artist is, but look, I love the way they did these abs. It's like they're sculpting it. So maybe take a look at that. I'll find the name for it. Oh, the thigh here, really good job. Look at this. I can see all the muscles in this, like an anatomy lesson. But you need. I think we need to show the patella. Patella, what's a kneecap called? But this needs some form and a little bit of definition. This shade, this reminded me of Mike Mignola, like the way he throws like some stuff into complete darkness. It looks cool. It makes it pop. Think about that. That could be something fun. But good job overall, man.